So we have our steering column chucked up in the vise, ready to install the steering shaft, which we just put together. But it's always fun to take a quick look at how everything works so you can get an idea of exactly what's going on inside of this crazy contraption they call a steering column. So I have removed the on-off switch mounted to the base of the column, and I'm now able to manipulate the on-off control rod free of the switch, just so you can see how it works. So there, as I'm pushing it up and down, you can see it work. And this is how the column lock works, and what happens when you push down on the lever to release the key. You push it over like this, and that allows that to fall to the extreme bottom. See how that's, and then it's unable to go to the top. And there it pops up and is back in position, free to move. And that's what happens when you push that switch, that lever down. You can see everything rotating. You pop it up, it pops out, and now it won't go down. Then you push that and it travels to its base. Now you can rotate the key to the completely off and key able to be removed position. So there, it's down there. And then it just pops, and that's where the spring comes into play. That's when you're turning your key on. Pop. And now the key works. And then when you're done, you want to pull the key out. There, it's at the extreme bottom of the channel. Interesting. So now I've zoomed out a little bit. You can still see the control rod going up and down. And now when I push this, then that allows that to the very bottom for key removal. Push it up, the whole thing springs into place. And now it'll only travel that far until you push the rod, and there it goes to the very bottom. So we are ready to insert the shaft into the column. So I have this end very nicely detailed, so I didn't want to be shooting spray paint over the end of this to paint this with this installed. So I gave it a shot before installation with a VHT semi-gloss satin black SP 652. Okay, time to insert the steering shaft into the column. So here's the end that's all painted with a nice coat of some grease on there, so hopefully everything will slide right through the other end of the column. Sliding through. Took a little bit of force, but there it's all sliding right through. Must have got slightly caught right on that little lip right there, but she popped right through.